Look at this fool. Look. Look at this dude, man. Going in the right lane. Boy, somebody pissed somebody off this morning. Look at this. He's going after her. Look at that black car's gone, boy. They've been at it for at least 6 or 8 minutes, trying to cut each other off. And that white van, look at that. Golly, there he goes again. He's gonna kill somebody. Look, he's gonna kill this woman.
Oh, shit. Holy. Pull over. Yes. You are.
Delicate social issues like abortion. In this area.
Oh no, here it comes. Kablam!
Oh, now she's gone. She's gone. She's gone. She's gone. She's gone.
Where they've been, I think, loath to intervene is on delicate social issues like abortion. In this area.
У них этот подъездной путь, ебать, какой дивизию, бля, ебать, там больше никто не летит.
Oh shit!
Similar example. I guess this time around the drone did not survive.
Christ.
Well, the American Congress of Obstetricians and Gynecologists
Hey, man.
doctors who actually do abortions and take care of women's reproductive needs.